I can get it right back in.
Just shake them in. Almost.
Box fell apart.
It's a good start.
I'll never use this sheet again. It sucks.
Yeah, it looks like you cut right above them and it'll come right down.
They're probably on 2 foot banks. Let me get a ladder.
Okay. They're angry. Two of the three so far. Oh, is it? Oh, yeah.
Your picture of that.
Got it. Isn't that cool?
Frank.
Very angry. Oh, they're swarming again up there. You must
That's
not.
all of them coming. I'll get it.
Is that the queen in there or? Oh, that's as big as the first one.
Yeah,
It didn't look as big.
good size snails.
Yeah, I wonder if the queen's right there. Or are they just returning? Let's see what they do next. Thumbs up, Stacy.